Hey y'all, it's Farmer MeeMaw. Happy New Year from me and Baby Blue. We are out today on New Year's Day because they say whatever you do on the first day of the year, you do all year long. And so I'm making it a point to be outside and to be working towards attaining my goals for my homestead. This right here is a big pile of granite that I got for free. It was like a 30-ton dump truck full, and so I don't know how much is here, but a lot. And I have used it in other projects before, and I decided I'm going to make use of these in building my raised beds because I'm trying to use what I have. And I was thinking, how can I do that? Because some of them are kind of big, like that piece right there. They're granite countertops or pieces from when people are, companies are making granite countertops. But anyway, so I'm like, so many of these pieces are going to be too big to stack. And then it was like a duh moment. I can just take a hammer or a sledgehammer to them and break them into smaller pieces. And so that's what I'm going to be doing. But first, I want to use this space. This is just being an overgrown, ugly mess. And so what I plan to do is move it off so that I can get easier access to the actual pieces of granite that I'm going to be using, but also to clear this space because underneath this pile, if you can tell, there's some really dark, rich soil. And so I want to move this off to a different place so I can, just to get all the brush out of the way so that we could actually mow it if we wanted to. But to move it out of the way and eventually stack it up. And there are some other things in here like pallets, broken down pallets or broken pallets that I'll take out and burn. But for now, my goal right now is just to move all of this out of this spot so I have a clear place to make a garden bed, and then get these so I'll have easy access to them to start building those garden beds. So I'm going to take you over that way so you can see what's going on. so I'm done. Here is what used to be just a thicket, and it used to have a lot of bird life in it, and I feel kind of bad about that, but there are other places. But anyway, so I filled in the ditch for the most part. There we go. Anyway, so I'm going to wait for it to rain to see how much of the dirt settles into that pit. And so that's this project. And here is the other thing that I did. Let me scoot back. I've piled it up so that I can just walk right up to it now and go over, and whatever I need, I need a piece of whatever, and start building my raised beds. So it's not a lot, but I've had so much fun today on my tractor. I was just like, I forgot how much I love it. I love my tractor. All I need now, y'all, you know what I really need? I need a pickup truck. My Homestead would be so much better. I don't even know how I'm going to get truckloads of soil for my raised beds because I don't have a pickup truck. I'll figure that out when I get to that point. But anyway, see all that stuff, y'all? Do you know how many raised beds I can make with that? Hopefully quite a few. So we'll see. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you soon. I hope you have a merry... Okay, let me do that again.